You hold on to your seats, Apple fans, because the iPhone 17 lineup is about to shake things up in 2025. From groundbreaking designs to a brand new model, the iPhone 17 Air, this is Apple's most ambitious move yet. Let's dive into what's making headlines in the tech world right now. Welcome to our channel, the ultimate hub for tech enthusiasts. If you're as obsessed with Apple's latest innovations as I am, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Let's unravel everything we know about Apple's 2025 iPhone lineup. All right, first up, the star of the show, the iPhone 17 Air, Apple's thinnest iPhone yet, measuring just 6.25 millimeter. Think MacBook Air vibes but packed into a smartphone. Rumor has it this sleek beauty might replace the Plus model, slotting perfectly between the standard iPhone 17 and the Pro models. But here's the twist. It's not just about looks. The Air boasts a single centrally placed 48 megapixel camera, making it the perfect mix of simplicity and power. But wait, could this be Apple's new secret weapon to woo mid-range buyers? Let us know what you think in the comments. Next, let's talk design. Apple's going big on aesthetics and durability. The Pro and Pro Max models are rumored to feature an aluminum and glass build, sleek, shiny, and tough as nails. And check this out. Horizontal camera setups are making a comeback for the iPhone 17. Love it or hate it, it's definitely a bold move. As for the displays, Promotion Tech is expected across the board, delivering buttery smooth 120 Hz refresh rates, plus a rumored anti-reflective coating could make scratches and glare a thing of the past. The Air will flaunt a 6.6-inch screen, giving you a sweet spot between the Pro model's 6.3-inch displays. Now let's get to the cameras. Arguably, one of Apple's strongest suits, all models, including the iPhone 17 Air, are said to sport a 24 megapixel front camera. That's double the resolution we're used to. Photographers, the Pro Max is your dream come true with 348 megapixel lenses. Meanwhile, the Air keeps it simple yet powerful with a single 48 megapixel rear lens. Imagine capturing pro-level photos on a phone this thin. Is this the photography game changer you've been waiting for? Under the hood, the iPhone 17 lineup will run on Apple's latest A19 chips, built on advanced 3nm technology. Translation: expect blazing fast performance and unmatched efficiency. Pro models might pack 12 gigabytes of RAM, while the Air and standard models hold their ground with 8 gigabytes. These specs aren't just numbers, they're a promise of seamless multitasking, gaming, and more. Mark your calendars, Apple's sticking to its iconic September launch window in 2025. And what about pricing? Pro models are expected to start at $1,399, while the Air positions itself as a more budget-friendly option. Affordable luxury. That sounds like a win-win to me. Which model are you most excited about? Let's chat in the comments. So, there you have it. Apple's 2025 iPhone 17 lineup is shaping up to be a showstopper. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, share it with your fellow Apple fans, and don't forget to subscribe for more exclusive tech updates. See you in the next video. Peace out.